I'm just a normal boy that sank when I fell overboard. My ship would leave the country, but I'd rather swim ashore. Without a life vest I'd be stuck again. Wish I was much more masculine. Maybe then I could learn to swim like 14 miles away.
Yeah, you got it! Oops, push the button! Push the button! Push the button! Good job! Push the button again. Good job. Good job. Gonna push the button again. Push the button. Yay! Good job. Push the button. Good job. Push the button. Push the button. Push the yellow button. Push the yellow button. The yellow button. Good job. Now it's stuck. Why is it stuck? That's not working. Okay, now dump it down. You gotta dump it. You can only put the balls in. Make sure you push the button again. Good job. Yay! That doesn't work. Push the button. Matthew, push the button. Okay, you done with that then? What are you using that for? Yeah. Look at those chompers. Toast your chompers? What you putting that on it now? Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. So bye bye, Matthew. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Go say bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye, Matthew. Bye bye. Go and turn it off.